What are you guys doing in there? Good morning guys. Today I have got some exciting video for you. Well, exciting, I don't know, it's exciting for me. We are going to be replacing the stock air filter for a performance air filter from K&N. It promises an increase in brake horsepower and also torque. It should allow the engine breathe a little bit more. So here is the new K&N air filters, unopened. Well, I have opened it. And look at these look so nice. Very thin. I mean, I've never seen an air filter in my life. This is the very first air filter I've seen in the flesh. But anyway, yeah, these look super clean and so nice. So yeah, apparently by putting these performance air filter, it should reduce the restriction or get rid of the restriction of air going into the engine. So the engine is getting more air. And also apparently it makes the car sound a little bit better as well. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to video the stock sounds from the engine bay and also the stock sounds from your angle right now. So we'll fit these and then what we'll do is we'll do a before and after video and a sound comparison. So this is it guys, might as well get to it. So the new A classes, so this applies to the new A class and the new CLA I believe, so 2020 W177. So this just pops off, I'll show you that now. So it just comes off and then we'll need to take I think this is some sort of computer, I'm not quite sure. So there's a connector there, another connector there, and then this clips off, and then this also clips off, and then once that's done we can take that off. And then there are 4 of these, so one here, another one here, and there should be another one right at the back. So it's just behind those wires, there's one there, so that's the 3rd. And there should be a 4th one around here somewhere. I don't know, there's another 4th one here somewhere. So there is, I believe, a button here somewhere. You press down. So you press on the button and then the latches just pop like that and it will come off. And there is another one here somewhere. So you press down and that should just raise up as well. Just be very careful, you don't want to snap anything at all. And then clips off. Off. So there you guys, that's off. Make sure you remember which way it goes obviously. And then screw. No, that's not the right screw. So it's actually a torque screw guys. if it helps, guys, you can remove that connector there, make it easier. So there you go. This is what the old air filter looks like. It's a thick one. It's dirty. So we'll compare it with the K&N air filter. So as you can see, there is actually not a lot of difference, but this is made of paper, which makes it very restrictive. And I believe this is made of sort of a mesh to allow it to breathe a little bit more. Just remember it goes in obviously the same way. So just put everything back correctly. Make sure that filter's nice and snug. You're nice and snug. It's in. Quick and easy. And then just put everything back. That's it, done. Well, that's about what, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, nice and easy. So things nice and secure, no loose spots here. Good, all good. So that is literally it. It's such a quick job, about a 10-minute, 15-minute job. I forgot to say, the main advantage of these K&N filters is that they are reusable, so you can literally take them out yourself, wash them yourselves and put it back on again. The other filters, you have to fully get rid of them and get a new one. They are a little bit costly, but in the long run it will save you a lot of money. Finishing touches is to stick a sticker on. There you go. So guys, I have driven the car for quite a bit now. I just wanted to try out what the filter is going to be like. And to be honest with you, there is not a lot of difference, but the acceleration is definitely a lot more responsive. When you put your foot down, the car just goes, and it's really nice. It's quite good. Yeah. That's about it really. There's not really much I can tell you. In terms of the sounds, there's not really a lot to say about the sounds because the car's loud anyway. The droning is a little bit more prominent, I guess, but other than that, it's really nice. It's nice. It's very responsive. So that is it guys, a nice and quick and easy mod to do. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.